I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. To make this integration, I am using Bit Integration plugin. So let's go to my Bit Integration Dashboard, Create Integration. Search and select Ninja Forms. Select a form. Next. Now search and select OneDrive. To get client ID and secret, please visit Azure portal. Now click on Register an application. Name Bit Integrations. Choose Personal Microsoft Accounts only. Select a platform. Web. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and copy Authorized Redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click on Register. Copy application ID. And paste it here. Go to Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Click Add. Copy value. And paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select your respective folder. This is required. Check Upload Files. Select Upload File and OK. You can also delete your files from WordPress by checking this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our OneDrive. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to OneDrive. Thanks for watching.